going to be completely candid. I don't know what to do. Because he's not going to listen. He's not going to comply with the orders. He's not defiant. No, you're not. No. You waive your right to a lawyer.
I do.
Name.
Statement reported by Contempt Township.
Rob Harris, Inspector, Brown South Township.
Please tell me he did what I told him to do.
As of yesterday at about 2 p.m., no.
Nothing?
Nothing. The property looks worse. So,
You're going to force me to do something I don't want to do, Mr. Boyd.
I've done a lot of work out there.
Okay, let me just go through this with you then. Okay? I ordered that the garage must be torn down and removed from the property on or before September 15, 25, and the undersurface filled to grade level. Did you do that?
No,
I ordered that all non-permitted accessory structures be removed from the property. Did you do that?
what structure would that be?
Remind me.
Things like the mobile home.
Right.
You use as storage.
Rob was supposed to give me a phone number, a place that takes RV.
Why don't you tell me what you've done? I ordered you to have all vehicles on the property licensed and operable, and that they had to be located on a concrete or asphalt driveway surface. When I read these to you, you can interrupt me. You can stop me and say, Judge, I did that. Did you do that one?
No, sir.
I also said all inoperable vehicles have to be stored inside an enclosed building or removed from the property on or before October 1. Did you?
Right away, you can see where this hearing is headed. The judge isn't dealing with one minor code violation. He's listing off a massive number of ignored court orders. In cases like this, judges care less about promises and more about documented compliance. And so far, Mr. Boyd has almost nothing to show. Question for you guys. At what point should property neglect actually lead to jail time?
Do that?
Partially.
I also ordered that all recreational vehicles have to be operable as well as licensed and registered to the owner or occupant of the property. Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Did he?
I have no proof of that. I've called for inspection, no return call, no nothing. I had never.
Recreational vehicles must be stored on hard or pervious concrete, asphalt, permeable grass, pavers, or gravel surface. Recreational vehicles have to be used for their intended purpose and not as storage. Winter boat storage is only permitted on residential waterfront surfaces and therefore not permitted at the property. Junk, trash, rubbish, tarps, anything that creates rodent harborage or refuse of any kind needs to be removed. The weeds, grass, and undergrowth must be cut and maintained so as not to be higher than 8 inches. And I also ordered that prior to the review hearing of, actually today or September 26th, I said, defendant is to permit Brownstown officials on the property for a compliance inspection. Did you allow them? Did you call there?
Yeah.
Did he call you and he never called you back? Why didn't you do that?
Didn't get it.
Listen, Mr. Boyd,
There are some circumstances here I'd like to tell you about.
Mr. Boyd, I'm going to listen to you. But it's not like this just started. This has been going on for, as I understand it, how long?
Well, there's opens for over a couple of years, and then I took it on like at least 8 months ago.
And the property's getting worse. I went out there. I didn't want to touch anything. I want to listen to what you have to say. I'm going to shut up and let you talk. Tell me whatever you'd like to tell me.
Well, I'm chairman of the Wayne County Canvassing Committee. We had an election. That was 2 weeks. every day. When you have election, birthdays don't count, holidays don't count. We have to be there every day for 2 weeks.
When was that?
It was trying to think of the date.
Well, 2 weeks, but I ordered this,
Yeah, well,
I ordered this back on July 30. This is September. So since July 30, just to do some quick math for you, we've had 32, we've had 56 days. So even if you were tied up in some kind of election, for 14 of those, you still had 42 days.
yeah.
What else? What else? I want to listen to your extenuating
I
circumstances.
had a family reunion that was put on me and I didn't know about.
Mr. Boyd,
That was 4 days.
you've had 2 years. The property's junk.
I'm working on it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
That'd be like, no, you're
I
not.
got the boat out for sale up near the road. I got,
Now you're going to tell me it's bad weather and you can't do this stuff. I don't know what to do with him. I'm going to be completely candid. I don't know what to do. Because he's not going to listen. He's not going to comply with the orders. He's not.
This is the exact moment Judge Fleischer loses patience. Notice the pattern. Every time the judge points to a missed deadline, another excuse appears. Elections, reunions, weather, phone calls. In courtroom hearings, credibility is everything. Once a judge believes someone is dodging responsibility instead of making progress, the entire tone of the hearing changes fast.
Not defiant. No, you're not. No, no, you're not. You're not going to comply with orders. You're going to give me every excuse under the sun. And this can't go on. It just can't go on. And you're going to force me to put you in jail today. And I don't want to do that.
I don't want to go.
I feel like I've begged you to do these things and you're not doing them. And then last time I got a little more forceful and I ordered you to do it and you haven't done anything.
I'm working this.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Come on. Don't lie to me.
I'm
I
not,
don't like people that lie to me. I think there's nothing worse than a person that stands in the courtroom and looks a judge in the eye and lies to them. This is, I don't know what to do with you. I don't know what to do with you other than jail you, because I'm not going to get your attention. You're going to give me every excuse in the sun, under the sun. Reunions, elections, 2-week election for a canvas presidency or whatever you do.
every election is 14 days.
I just don't know what to do with him anymore. It's fully Carter. Am I supposed to put him in jail or am I supposed to just let him defy orders? That's basically my options here.
I am working on it.
Why didn't you call him back?
Pardon? Oh, I didn't get,
Why didn't you call him back?
I didn't get it. I didn't get his call.
Did you leave a message? When?
It's been probably 3-4 weeks, but I've been out to the property. I mean, I drive by it probably at least twice weekly. There's been no guy.
I knew this was going to happen.
Well, that work.
I knew this was going to happen. I just knew this was going to happen. I was 1,000% positive that this is what was going to happen, and I was going to have to sit here now and decide, do I let in gentlemen like Mr. Boyd, you are a gentleman, defy orders repeatedly, or do I send you to jail? And I don't think I have an option.
I need more time.
You're going to serve 5 days jail starting today, sir. It's first technical, I'm sorry, that's what I'm doing. Defendant to serve 5 days jail forthwith. And
hard to do any work from jail.
Listen.
And there it is, 5 days in jail. Not for a violent crime, but for repeatedly ignoring court orders tied to a dangerous and deteriorating property. This is something viewers don't always realize. Contempt and ordinance violations can absolutely land someone behind bars if a judge believes they're openly refusing to comply. And that warning about spending Christmas in jail? Judge Fleischer just made it crystal clear that the next hearing could go much worse.
I'm going to make a promise to you. You do this again, you're going to be sitting in there over Christmas. I promise you. I'm not playing games with you. That's a junkyard. You have neighbors. They don't need to have that blight by their house. My God, who would buy a house anywhere near there? I don't know what else to do. You're in custody for 5 days. Good luck. We're going to set another review. Lisa, give me another review hearing date in a month. If you don't have it done, sir, I'm telling you, bring your toothbrush and 85 pairs of clean underwear. Do we understand one another?
I do.
Good. Okay, new review hearing date, and you're going to allow him access too the minute he's out. The minute you're out, you answer his phone calls. I'm sorry, Lisa, go ahead.
October 22nd at 8:30.
October 22nd at 8:30.
Yeah, before, can I just double check what Mr. Boyd's phone number is?
What is your phone number, Mr. Boyd? I don't know what else to do.
My concern is, Mr. Boyd's had problems with ordinance since I was in middle school, as far as I'm concerned. This continues to happen. This citation was issued back in April. We've been running around with this. It's not only the neighbors and the blight issue, it's also the dangerousness of the building, especially that garage. He hasn't taken out any permits or anything of that nature, so he's had no intention to comply.
No, I've just heard excuse after excuse.
That have a permit.
And I knew.
Demolition permit, but you have to at least have the building inspector out there to make sure that the structure can come down, if there's electricity there, and what the plan is. So you can't just demolish it and have everything sit there. So that you'd have to have a plan, at least at minimal, approved by the building inspector for any demolition.
But he told me that.
Mr. Boyd, listen. You brought this on yourself. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, he never informed me about that.
I know, it's their fault. I don't want to hear it.
Judge.
Oh, Lord.